some of the disciples and followers of Jesus were boasting about themselves. When Paul came to know about this, he tells the Corinthians, if they have a right to boast about themselves, I too have a right. Are they Israelites? So am I. Are they Hebrews? So am I. Are they sons of Abraham? So am I. Are they disciples of Christ? I'm a better one, he says. Then he says, I'm speaking like a madman. And then he shares how much he suffered for Christ. Is Paul boasting about himself? It appears like that, but not. That is not his intention. His intention is to give a lesson to the Corinthians. Because Corinthians, being Greek, they thought they are higher than others and all other people are lower. So Paul wants to remind them, it is not your place of birth. It is not the family where you are born. It is not your language, your culture, your skin color, your studies or your riches give you the identity. The true identity comes that you are a believer and follower of Christ. Are we practicing this in Goa? Ask yourself. There are people boasting about their caste, and I tell them, if you believe in caste, you have no place in Christianity. Go back to any other religion which believes in caste. We have only one caste, that we belong to Jesus. He is our Savior, and we are His followers. Are we convinced of this? And when we are convinced this, we follow this. And when we follow this, we become true Christians. Even to priests, I have told, because there are few priests in Goa, they boast about their caste, and I tell them, you are not a Christian. Forget about being a Catholic, not even a Christian. And they get shock of their life. And they deserve it. So Paul's teaching is a lesson to us. Let us not boast about ourselves. If you have to boast, let us boast in the Lord. That Lord has done great things in our lives and is doing great things through us. That we belong to Jesus and we are His disciples. This is our true identity, and this is our privilege, and this is our greatness.